Jamaica, watch
A man
this.
who was brutally abused by the police earlier this week in Denham Town, Kingston, is speaking out.
In time, these scars may fade, but the circumstances which led to them will forever linger in the mind of Jermaine Abrahams.
I'm so traumatized. The first something like this ever happened to me.
Abrahams is the man who was brutally abused by cops who visited his home in Denham Town, Kingston, Sunday morning.
I hear them, where the boy they were in here. So my mother said, the boy in here, I have my two sons in here and my little daughter. So anyway, I go out and have a look. Him always stretching him and drag me in my underpants, tear me inside underpants because I have on two underpants. Him tear me inside underpants and I stretch out my underpants. So I say, officer, what's the problem? What's the altercation? And I say, boy, what you mean by you call police?
He says he was then ordered down the stairs, after which he appears to be in a conversation with the police.
So I realized you were turning back and you were saying stuff to them as they were pushing you down the stairs. What were you saying to them?
I was saying, officer, you can't stop pushing me on my back and I go down the step, and I run gun away. You can't stop hug and pull me like me a criminal or me a murderer. Like me just kill somebody and you come for a wanted man. You can't stop the with me saying, officer. Because I walk come down the step, I cooperate with them.
Then after what appears to be another conversation with the police, the matter escalated. Many have questioned what would have prompted a group of police to do this to an unarmed man.
So I said to them when I reach on the step, officer, when I walk go over the Zozo or what? There comes him grab me up in my shoulder and I fling. So I said, officer, you can't do it. I said, do it, better not put my underpants them up in my bottom and all these sort of things. And I said, officer, hey boy, you start kicking my foot. So I said, officer, I hold on upon him because I want to know what the reason he want to kick on my foot for my job for. If I the handcuff you put on, when you never put on the handcuff from up the stairs.